Welcome back, everyone, to the Non-Handyman channel. You know that TV that you've been wanting to mount on the wall? Let's get that done. I already marked where the studs are in the wall where I want to hang the TV. I did that by using a stud finder. Now I like this one because it shows you the stud as you move by it. You can find this one at your local hardware store. As you can see, the lights give you a really good indication of where the stud is. Most stud finders should do, but it's just up to your preference. You can use the knock test just to double check and make sure that you found the studs correctly. When you hear and feel a solid thump, you pretty much know that you found the stud. Be sure to use a leveler when you make the markings on the wall. You don't want a leaning TV. I used a drill bit that was smaller than the actual screws that will be going into the wall. You should feel resistance the entire time. That lets you know that you are drilling into the stud. I only drilled 2 holes for the bracket that will be going on to the wall. You'll see why a little bit later. The mounting package will usually come with a wall mount, the brackets that go on the TV, and all the other accessories needed, such as screws and washers. And this one even comes with a leveler and an extra wall mount for larger TVs. These are the screws that go into the wall, along with their washers. We will be using a 13mm socket for the screws. And of course, we'll be using a socket wrench. Be sure to put the washers on the screws and tighten the screws into the wall, but not completely flush with the wall. You want to leave a little gap. Tighten the other screw also. Then take out both of the screws. Now, put the bracket on the wall using the screws to hold it up. Take a pin and mark where you're going to drill the other holes. Make sure they're in alignment with the other holes to ensure that you will be drilling into the studs. Drill those holes, put the screws in them, and remove them as you did with the first 2. So you should end up with 4 holes in your wall. And with that being done, go ahead and hang your bracket on the wall. On the back of your TV, there should be 4 screws. You want to remove those. Take one of those screws and find its match, which was provided in the mounting packet. Now, with those screws and the washers provided, take the brackets and mount them on the back of the TV, making sure that they are somewhat tightly attached. On most TV mounts, you'll find 2 clamps. These are there to lock the TV in place as you mount it on the wall. For example, here's the mount that goes onto the wall. As you hang the brackets onto the mount, the clips should snap into place. Your TV should definitely be secure at that point. Plug in the power cord and all of your necessary cables. Then have someone help you hang the TV. And there you have it. Enjoy that newly mounted TV. You deserve it. Be sure to hit that like button if this helped you out. Subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends. As always, this is the Non-Handyman signing out.